application. Sorry, this is a tutorial that will assist you to create icons for your application. So I've actually found that it can be quite daunting because of the number of icons that are actually required. And if you are a developer or a graphic designer, it can still be annoying. However, I have actually kind of figured out a simple way on how to actually achieve this objective. So I have used Adobe Illustrator. So you find that, let's say for example, we wanted to replace this icon right here. You'll find that it says 29 times 3, so that would actually give you this icon, I believe. So that is 29 times 3, 87. So that gives you that icon. So if you actually upload an incorrect icon, automatically it actually warns you that you've actually uploaded the incorrect icon. So simply said, going back to AI, so I've noticed one thing about the creation of icons. Even though it actually says it requires a pixel, I'll just say lack of memory or remembering the correct term for it. The number is 87. You actually kind of expect it to be 87, but in AI, as soon as you actually export, the pixels actually expand by 1. So what I've actually realized is if you actually save it down by 1, so instead of 87 you go 86 pixels, but just make sure that your canvas is actually locked, your storyboard is actually locked, so it's an exact square in that context, so that would be 86, 86. And then when you export, after you finish doing the same thing with all the required ones, so you would actually export, so you'd export using artboards. So in all the artboards, so and then it's as simple as that, white, or yeah. So try to remember that you leave a bit of white around your borders, especially for iOS, because it actually kind of curves your corners. And if you actually curved your corners again yourself, it would actually kind of look weird. So rather leave it a square, it automatically curves it when you upload it. So I've already got my icons, so just say replace, just replace them. And it's as simple as that. So I have my icons, so I can, let's say that's the one that we were actually working on, which goes there. But now the challenge is to actually just have to go through all of them to figure out which one is which. That would be 40 times 2. You just have to do this little fun game of looking for the right icon. Do we have 80? There we have it. So let's see. You see, no warning. So basically it's as simple as that. So I'd leave the rest up to you to actually just figure out times whatever and so on and so forth, and upload your icons as such, and it's as simple as that. After you export your application, your icons will be displayed accordingly. So if you actually like the tutorial, please subscribe, and please also share and like. I would truly appreciate that. Thank you so much.